All right, let's break it down. Today, we are talking about the proven roadmap to learning digital marketing. If you're starting from scratch, I mean, absolute zero, this is the exact path you're going to want to follow. I know it feels overwhelming right now. ChatGPT is everywhere. AI tools change every few months. New platforms show up every year. But here's the surprising part. The truth is, digital marketing has actually gotten easier to learn. The fundamentals haven't changed, and AI can help beginners understand those fundamentals faster. I've spent over a decade teaching digital marketing to beginners, and what I'm sharing comes from real experience, not theory. So the first step is to understand what's happening around us right now and the role of digital marketers. Just think about your own day, right? You're searching for stuff on Google, you're scrolling TikTok, you're learning how to do something on YouTube. We're living online more than ever, and that's not a temporary trend. It's a complete shift in how people search, shop, and learn. So for businesses, whether it's a small local shop, a freelancer, or a global brand, they need to show up where their audience already is. This is where digital marketers step in. They are the bridge between what people want and what businesses offer. They understand how digital marketing works and how to use that knowledge to guide people finding the right solutions. And to do that, you first need to get familiar with what each major channel does and why it matters. Look at it this way. Every single channel has a specific job to do. SEO brings people from search engines. Content marketing educates and builds trust. Social media creates visibility and discovery. Email marketing builds relationships and drives sales. Paid ads give you instant traffic and fast testing. When you see how these channels fit together, digital marketing stops feeling like chaos and starts feeling like a system. And the easiest way to actually learn that system is to take a beginner-friendly course that walks you through it step by step. Our course at ReliableSoft covers all digital marketing channels, giving you the full overview you need without the noise. Another good option is the Google Digital Marketing course, especially if you want a foundation in analytics and e-commerce. And of course, there are many more choices. Check the link in the description to my best digital marketing courses video. So once you learn the basics, it's time to start practicing. And if I had to start over today, here's exactly what I would do. First, I would pick a topic I'm genuinely interested in, anything, and create a simple website around it. It doesn't have to be fancy. What matters is that you create a home base for your digital marketing practice. Next, I'd open SEMrush or Google Keyword Planner and start doing basic keyword research. Then I'd begin writing content for the site. Use AI to give you outlines and ideas, but avoid publishing generic information that already exists everywhere online. Then I would set up Google Search Console and analytics to track traffic, rankings, and user behavior. Now, once that foundation is in place, here's what most beginners don't realize. SEO takes months to show real results. So while that's building in the background, you need to start exploring other channels. Here are some ideas. Use AI to create a simple info product related to your topic and create a landing page for it. Then create pages on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok and start posting content 3 times per week. Next, go to the Facebook ads library and study your competitors' ads. Use that insight to guide your own creative ideas. Open Canva and design simple creatives, and then create your first Facebook campaign with a small budget. Even $5 a day is enough. The goal here is not to make money, but to learn how paid traffic works. Do this for a couple of months, and you'll start to discover which tasks you enjoy most. If you don't enjoy writing, but you like creating videos with AI, dive deeper into video ads or TikTok content. If you enjoy analytics, go deeper into SEO or paid advertising. If you love designing landing pages, focus on CRO and funnels. Study what successful brands in your niche are doing, how they structure their ads, their emails, and learn from their campaigns. By the end of a few months, you will understand digital marketing and have practical experience that most beginners never get. And that's exactly how you go from zero to confident digital marketer in the fastest, most efficient way possible.